Assalamu alaikum. Now, here we're discussing the week 2 after the fertilization, and that is the formation of the bilaminar embryo. Okay, so bilaminar means the formation of the two layers that is going to be made in the embryoblast. The embryoblast that we discussed already. The embryoblast is going to be differentiated into two main layers, that is the hypoblast and the epiblast. And the point both are fusing together with both hypoblast and epiblast are fusing together is called the prechordal plate. That is the prechordal mouth. That is the that's the future mouth. That's the beginning of the formation of the mouth, the future mouth. Okay, so here the embryoblast is dividing into two layers. That is actually the bilaminar embryonic disc. Okay, so the epiblast, that's this part, this cellular part is going and is going to form the amniotic cavity. Okay, the shaded part. And the hypoblast cells, these cells, they migrate to form the yolk sac. Okay, so the prechordal plate, as we discussed, is the fusion of both bilaminar layers. Okay, now the epiblast is going to form the very important thing, that is the structure, that is the extraembryonic mesoderm. Okay, extraembryonic mesoderm. Okay, extraembryonic mesoderm, which is also divided into two other parts, that is the extraembryonic somatic and extraembryonic visceral mesoderm. The extraembryonic somatic mesoderm is the layer that is going to line the cytotrophoblast and the syncytiotrophoblast and the, what's that called, connecting stalk. Okay, so all 1 and 2 and 3, these three things are lined by this and this. This is called the extraembryonic somatic, okay, mesoderm. Okay, so the other mesoderm, that is the extraembryonic visceral mesoderm, is going to line the yolk sac. Okay, in future this is going to form the blood in the fetus, the fetal blood. Okay, important thing here is the syncytiotrophoblast continues to grow into the endometrium. This is the endometrium. Okay, it is going to be continuous and developing developing into the, penetrating deep into the endometrium to make contact with the endometrial blood vessels and glands. Okay, there's no mitosis that is being held in the syncytiotrophoblast. All the mitosis is happening here in the cytotrophoblast, and these cells are pushed into this syncytiotrophoblast, into the the syncytiotrophoblast is increasing because of the mitosis that is being happening in the cytotrophoblast, and this is why it is penetrating deep into the endometrium to to pave its way to the blood vessels and glands of the endometrium. These are the sectional view of the vessels, the blood vessels of the endometrium. Okay, hematopoiesis occurs in the start in the mesoderm surrounding the yolk sac. Okay, great. The mesoderm underlying the yolk sac, that is only up to the 6th week, and then later it's going to continue in the fetal liver, spleen, thymus, 6 weeks to the third trimester, okay, and then later on into the bone marrow. So what do we have here is hematopoiesis, first 6 weeks, mesoderm, surrounding the yolk sac. Second part is 6 weeks to 3 months. That is fetal liver, spleen, thymus. These are the things that are very important. If you want to sit in the USMLE exams, these things are important to remember. And then later on, after 3 months onward, it is going to happen in the bone marrow. So that's the second week development. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.